All right, Chirps, Chirps, Chirps. Watch, I'm making another recipe. You know what this is called? Nachos. So I made these chips earlier just using some corn tortillas. They look good? Yeah? Just kind of push them together. Okay, so I got meat here, right? Oh, you're excited about this one. So I'm going to pour the meat on. I'll get you some in a minute, okay? So then the cheese goes on top. This is actually Italian sausage cooked with some peppers and onions. Got a little cheese here. So this is going to go into a 400-degree oven for about 5 to 8 minutes. All right. Hey, Chirps, here is the completed product. Does it look good? Huh? Look at it. Nice and cheesy. It's too hot for you right now, but I'll give you a little bit of the cheese, okay? Because the meat's got onions in it. But that's how you make nachos, Chirps. I know, it looks good, don't it? Look at that cheese. Yummy, yummy. All right, good job, Chirps. You're going to be an excellent chef one day.